Termination for cause in Alberta. A person is working at a job. They've been there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and at some point they do something so bad that their employer says, "You're fired." Now, in Alberta, the rules around terminating for cause are pretty strict. There's a high standard for employers where they just can't randomly fire someone. And the difference between terminating for cause and terminating someone without cause is if you terminate someone for cause, you don't owe them money. You don't owe them severance or termination pay or anything like that. You don't owe them any notice. If you terminate someone without cause, then you owe them the notice. There could be common law rights. There could be a number of things where you owe them money. Now, the courts and the legislation set up a standard that you have to go through in order to terminate someone for cause. And again, it is quite high. Things have to be documented. You need to keep track of things, and their behavior has to be so outrageous and so severe that it gives reason to terminate someone for cause. For instance, just because someone drinks too much coffee every day, you say, "Don't drink so much coffee," and they keep drinking so much coffee, not usually something that is right for terminating for cause. If they sexually harass someone at work, if they're doing something fraudulent or steal from the company, certainly those are things that are appropriate for termination for cause. If someone steals from the company, you don't even need to have a past, "Oh, we warned you and then you let it go and you stole from us again." No, for something that is that severe, you don't need that same kind of process in place. As an employer, it's really important that you talk to the employment lawyer to make sure that if you're terminating for someone for cause, that you're covering yourself, that you make sure that you're not going to be exposed to liability or human rights violations or anything like that. As an employee and you're terminated for cause, oftentimes it's not done properly, and you want to talk to the employment lawyer to make sure, if it's not done properly, remember, you're now entitled to some kind of compensation, whether it's termination pay or just the common law notice period. So it's really important that either way you talk to someone. There are very extreme rights in here, and so it's important that when you're facing termination for cause as an employer and employee, that you protect yourself and do what you need to do under the law.